Hey Pioneers, I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to make a video using Canvas Studio. So in case you were making your open house video, I wanted to show you exactly the easiest way to go about this. First, you're going to log on to your Canvas. Right here on your dashboard, you see your account on the side, admin, dashboard, courses, all the way down to Studio. Once you click on the Studio, you can hit and everything loads up. Like mine is pretty full, so that's okay. You're going to hit this record button and you're going to do a webcam capture. Now, as long as you have your webcam enabled, you are good to go. So as you can see, I have my webcam enabled so I can talk directly to the camera, and that is 100% okay. I'm going to click start recording. 3, 2, 1. It's going to start recording and it's going to say what I need to say. I can use, a script or whatever, and you're going to record your open house video. When you click finish, what you're going to do is you're going to title it Open House and then your name or something, whatever you choose to save it as. You click Save Media and it's uploaded to your Canvas Studio. Now, once you've uploaded it to your Canvas Studio, you can go ahead and click these 3 little dots and you can share the media. You can create a public link and you can copy that link and enter it into whatever Google form. You can embed it into anything. And if you wanted to create an announcement for a certain class, let's say I'm going to put it in an announcement. I create an announcement here and I'm going to put Open House 2021, and then I can embed right here the studio link with the video that I wanted to include in my open house. As you can see, it's taking a minute to load, but it'll be right here. I can allow people to download it, or if I click the wrong one, I can just select another video while we wait for it to download. Whatever it is I choose to select. So I click embed, and then right here, that video is embedded in that announcement. I post it to all the sections. I can hit save, and then I've created that announcement. So that is how you're going to create your open house announcement or any other video announcement that you want to make. If you don't like it, just go ahead and click that delete button and you can start from scratch. Have a great day.